Hello everybody, hope you're doing well and welcome to another tutorial. And today we're learning how to fix mic issues on Discord. Firstly, open up your Discord app, go to profile on the bottom right, then go to settings, scroll down and tap on voice option. Select input mode and select voice activity. You can turn the auto sensitivity on, or if you're turning it off, put the input sensitivity to max. Put your output volume to full, then enable mobile voice overlay. Make sure your echo cancellation is turned on. After that, go to settings and search for Discord. Go to permission and make sure that microphone permission is on. And this should fix your microphone problems on Discord. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And we will see you in the next tutorial.